welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today's my vlog number 16 and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of gingerbread cupcakes. Here's my favorite gingerbread cupcake recipe. It's one of the most popular during Christmas season. Soft in center, crisp on the edges, perfectly spiced, molasses and brown sugar sweetened holiday goodness. Whenever I think of Christmas bread, gingerbread comes to my mind first. The spices, the molasses flavor, the smiles, and the charms are obviously irresistible. Gingerbread cupcake, you have my heart. give it a try. Oh my gosh. This cake is so delicious. This is so addictive. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the big thumbs up and comment down below what other things you want to see and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow but on the next day. Peace out.